Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a short 2-month update on my long protective hairstyle. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So as of May 21st, it makes it 2 months since I've had my braids in, and I'm just going to show you guys a comparison of the 2 months compared to when I first braided my hair. So as you can see, I've had a lot of new growth since I first braided my hair compared to now, and my regimen hasn't changed. I'm still using the aloe vera juice as my leave-in, and then I'm following that up with my henna and amla oil just to seal in the moisture, and I'm still doing that twice a week, Mondays and Thursdays. So I haven't shampooed, washed my hair since 2 months ago when I first braided my hair down, but I did do a scalp cleansing, which was in my first month's update. So if you haven't checked that out, I'll leave it linked in the description box. But I haven't cleansed my scalp since then. That was more for demonstration purposes. And yeah, so right now I'm just showing you guys what my scalp looks like. So my scalp is still pretty clean. I haven't experienced any dandruff. I haven't experienced any itching. Also, I haven't experienced my hair smelling. I really don't smell anything at all. I am still wearing my wig as my protective style, and I'm just going to show you guys in the next few clips just my new growth and also my moisturizing routine. So if you guys want to see how I make my aloe vera leave-in, I'll leave that link in the description box, as well as a link to the henna and amla oil. And once I'm done moisturizing my hair, I just put my stocking cap back on, and since I wasn't going anywhere, I just went ahead and put my bonnet back on as well. And that's the end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.